Previously on Socks with Sandals. All too easy. Well, it's bumpy ground here on a flat next to a fast road, so I don't want to have to mess around here. And it's starting to overheat. It's getting up to 100 now, so I was hoping that video of visiting Stonehenge would be up by now, but I'm just gonna have to park up on a hill. Hope I get a good signal there. Well, this is a nice spot to be parked on a hill. Yes. Alright, I'm going to turn the engine off now. Oh, that was random. And I guess you all want to know if it will start by itself now. I left you on a cliff edge, didn't I? As to whether the van would start by itself. Okay, neutral. Nice view. Turning key. Oh, it doesn't. Looks like I'll be parking on hills until next dole day. Well, this bloody stupid job pays me, and then I can get a new starter motor fitted. Hold on, honey, this is gonna be bumpy. Right, it's a clear patch now, so let's start this beast up. Yes. Every time I get 20 pence pieces in the change, it's like poo-poo tickets. I had to keep the engine running, parking up just to get a sandwich, but I'm off to see Chalky this afternoon, so hope there's a hill near him. The thing about Trowbridge is all at the bottom of the hill, isn't it? Every road leading in is downhill. A man can dream, can't he? To Trowbridge. Yeah, fuck off, go on. Forgot I can talk now. I'm hands-free. I'm wearing Earl Grey's magnetic GoPro hat. I'm going to look around, talk, yeah, drive. That's about it, really. I stop off at a lay-by here to have a pee. I think there's one up this road. This is Sally in the Woods. Very beautiful part of the world. Got to remember not to turn the engine off out of habit when I stop now. Lovely. Let's have a bit of Mark Dice on, taking the mick out of Brian Stelter for a bit.
As you can see right here, I focused on his language and the insults, the phrases that he repeats every night. Nasty little words like these.
Socialist, failure, shameless, psychotic domination, hellholes.
But that's just the beginning.
I was right about one thing, however, Fox News did not air the speech live. One American
Just check he's in before I switch the engine off. And I find Chalky munching down a chicken sarnie.
With might be soda bread, not too sure.
Oh, and what they call them, Branston's pickle?
Oh, you got the pickle.
Textbook.
Well, that all looks good. That's your 3 weeks warranty out to stop it blowing off. I reckon that can last for days on there. It'd be quite easy, I reckon.
Yeah, Chalky's just been brainstorming the idea of getting a rear awning so I can have like an outside bathroom for my save space, my bog and shower.
Yeah. And also if you're parked somewhere, if you've got that open and the curtain comes right the way around, what stuff you take out to sleep at night, you can just stand outside, couldn't you?
Yeah. Oh well,
You know, so
yeah.
you know.
Thing is, I'm stealth, so I can just park anywhere, like here or anywhere.
yeah.
So yeah, I don't want to be too obvious unless I'm in the woods somewhere and no one sees me.
Yeah.
There's a very slight incline just outside Chalky's house there. See if that's enough to start it. Oh, you all right, man? Guess not. Okay. Well, you know the drill. Watch any of that stuff. Man, the B-roll will be...
Stay classy though, fighting.
And you skins.
And you skids.
Ron.
Ron.